thank you everyone. I've reached the 5,000 subscriber milestone. That might not sound huge to some people, but to me that's enormous, and it's happened so much more quickly than I ever could have expected. So a massive thank you to everyone who subscribes, comments, views my videos, gives me a thumbs up, the super thanks, the members, all of the things that you do for me. It really has made a huge difference. So thank you every one of you who's watched one of my videos at any point and interacted in any way. It makes a massive difference. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Also, I owe some very big thanks still, and I know I bang on about this, but it's important. I owe some big thanks to Daniel Cooper, Claire's Crafty Corner and Wendy from Toompish for their moral support and helping me to get my name out there as well. Those three will never really realise, I'm sure, just how much difference that's made. It's immense. And finally, I must say a big thank you to the businesses that have been supporting me as well. That is Just For You Online, Jam Pot Glitter and Let Resin, and recently as well Beck Creations that make all those beautiful little guinea pig moulds and things like that. Thank you all of you for sending me things to try and to show on my videos. I really appreciate that support. It's made a huge difference as well, and again has been a big part of making all this possible. Now I'll stop waffling. Suffice it to say, I'm still startled by how well all this is going, and I'm still working very hard at it, and I just don't know what else to say about thanking people. Anyway, so to the giveaway. As a thank you, I will be sending to one lucky winner one of my Crystal Edge moulds. Now, this one's been used. This is my prototype, and it's slightly flawed, so it's staying here. And as you can see, I've now got glitter all over it. Ugh, what am I like? Anyway, so yes, this one has been used. You'll have all seen me developing this mould and the final results, and they are now on sale in my shop as well. So one of these will go to the lucky winner, wherever you are in the world. I shall send it to you at my own cost, and put in some of my little silicone inlays as well. So it'll be a nice little goodie box for somebody. Now, all you have to do to enter is go to my community tab. I'm still trying to get my hands clean here. Go to my community tab and you'll see there's a thread called 5k giveaway. All you need to do is put a comment in there, and the first word, or the only word, it's up to you, needs to be the word purple. That's it, just the word purple. Then I'll know you're entered, and if I give you a thumbs up, then you will know that you're into the draw, okay, and that I haven't missed you. The entries will close on the last day of October, which coincidentally is Halloween night, which I believe is when Claire's Crafty Corner's Halloween collaboration is going out too. So you'll be seeing one of my videos in that. So yes, the prize draw will close at the end of this month, which is October 2023, in case anybody is watching this later, and I will announce the winner shortly thereafter. Thanks again everyone, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye!